Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing tools and the channel link. You need a signed-in Google account to access YouTube features, but remember, deep analytics require owner access. Once done, open the channel URL or paste the channel ID into a third-party tool or extension. Make sure the extension is enabled and logged in. This gets you from zero to ready. Why? Because these tools collect public metrics like views, subscriber counts, and upload history instantly, giving you the raw inputs for deeper inspection. Next, gather and interpret the data. Paste the channel link into Social Blade or an extension. Let the tool compile daily and weekly growth charts. Look at subscriber momentum and view spikes to find cause and effect. Then inspect the channel's top videos, upload cadence, average views per video, and engagement percentage. These act as proxies for watch time and audience retention when you lack owner access. Make sure to toggle any filters for date ranges so you can compare one period versus another accurately. Finally, finish by exporting and monitoring consistently. Export CSVs or capture screenshots of key charts so you can run your own trend analysis over time. Once done, set a simple tracking routine or use alerts in the tool to notify you of sudden subscriber or view changes. If you need advanced data, use the YouTube Data API with the channel ID. One troubleshooting tip: if metrics seem incomplete, make sure the channel hasn't hidden subscribers. Check API rate limits and clear extension cookies or reauthorize the tool.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.